Hi everyone. I wanted to give you an update of what's been going on here. I've been so busy, I haven't been able to do any videos. We closed on this house here yesterday, and today at noon, we're gonna be closed on the new home that we're gonna be moving to. So I'm gonna be so busy. It has been so hectic around here. And you know what? It snowed overnight. Yeah, so that's not fun. I think there's about 3 inches here. So I had to clear off the driveway today. We had to get that done, and I'm sure we're gonna have to go and clear off the driveway over there because they've already moved out of it, like about, I think, a couple weeks ago. And we're having carpet torn out today over there. So the carpet guy is gonna come around noon and get the carpet going so we can have new carpet in there. And I don't know, gonna be doing some painting, not right away, of course, I don't have time. The good part is it's about 5 minutes from here. It's only a 5-minute drive. So we plan on taking over as many loads as we can in our vehicles, and we're also getting a U-Haul because we are taking those. This is what I really dread doing. We're gonna take our garage cabinets. Yeah, we've only had them like a year and a half, and the people buying our house really didn't want them because they need to have room to get they have a big truck that they need to get in the garage. So it worked out good, but it's going to be a pain taking everything out of those cabinets and putting the cabinets in the U-Haul, taking everything over there, installing the cabinets again. The good part is they're already put together because we had to put those together when we got them. So that's the good part. But so we're going to have a U-Haul for a couple days. We don't get the U-Haul until tomorrow. So I'm going to be so busy tomorrow helping my husband get those cabinets out and get them in the other house. And I'm hoping, the carpet guy said 3 days. I hope so because we're moving next Tuesday. Yeah, and I looked at the forecast and I hope it changes. I really do, because it's talking about snow Monday night and we're moving on Tuesday. So some snowstorm coming in yet again. Yeah. I've never moved in December, and I will never do it again. So again, I just want to give you a quick update, what's been going on. And I do have a video. I'm not sure how great it is. When we went and did the inspection, I did a little bit of a video, so you can see it, how it looks right now before we take the carpet out. And I will do another empty house. There might be a few things in there, though, showing you the carpet, and you can see how the carpet looks in there because it's mainly got a lot of tile on the main level, and the upstairs, of course, is all the carpet except for the bathrooms. So let's go ahead and check out this video. And like I said, I'm going to be getting some things going today. We got the cable guy coming over there, so I got to grab a few TVs so we can have some TVs over there that can make sure everything works. And yeah, I'm gonna get that going. Got some cleaning stuff I want to take over there, figure out a little bit of painting. So let's go ahead and check out this video, and then I am gonna be getting busy getting everything ready. Okay, so here it is. I love that it is a Tudor style out here. What I'm not really loving is I don't have a front porch to decorate. Maybe I can do some of these little openings here. I'm not sure. So let's head on in. So very small entry here, nothing like our previous home. Off to the right here is the office. This will be mine. My husband will be using a different room for his. And I will be painting the green, definitely. I do like the built-ins, and I will be changing the color behind those two. Haven't decided what color to paint in here. And of course, this carpet is getting replaced. All right, so now we have a little bit of a hallway here. And this is the formal living room. The one thing I don't really like about it is it doesn't have a fireplace. It's kind of strange that it doesn't have one. I may put one of those fake ones in there. I don't know. And then, of course, you got the dining room over here. Actually, let me show you up here. Oh, okay. I guess I didn't get to have it all the way up, but that is a 2-story living room. Okay. And I do like the columns. I'd rather them to be more squarish, so I don't know if I want to change that. And up here from the formal living room, that is the loft area. And I guess my hutch is going to go right there. I guess the buffet will go in front of the window. And the stairs going up and the other stairs to the left go to the basement. It is unfinished, so I'm not going to go down there. And let's go over to here. This is the family room. I'm getting new curtains. May do something to that fireplace. Got the kitchen over here. This kitchen is a little smaller than mine. There is no pantry. And it has a little bit of a butler's pantry here. Let me kind of turn around. You can come in. Got a little bit of butler's pantry here. They have these little farmhouse looking, they're like doggy gates, which is great. And normally you'd have a walk-in pantry across from here, your butler's pantry, but I don't have one. It's just a wall because the refrigerator is built in. So they use that space for the refrigerator. I'm going to be getting a new cooktop and a new dishwasher. And you might see the water running. That's because they're doing a sewer scope at the moment. This is where a big entertainment center is going to be going. I am going to be painting this room, and you can see the other door there. And of course there is the built-in refrigerator with a little bit of a pantry, not much. But there are cabinets underneath the island there, 4 of them, pretty good size, so that gives me a little bit extra for a few things. Now coming down this hallway, I'm going to be taking that down. This door goes out to the garage. Here is the laundry room. They're leaving the washer and dryer, but I'm going to be using my own, so we'll be selling those. I do like the beadboard on here. I will be painting the cabinets and the room. Get a little nice closet size here. All right, here it is. Let's look at the fun room. This is the powder room. Check it out. Yeah, this is a formal model home. So there's some funky wallpaper going on here. That wallpaper's leaving. Unfortunately, of course, all the walls with the wallpaper have not been textured, so I'm probably going to have to do some more wallpapering. This is a main level master. It's not the main master, it's smaller. There's a bigger master upstairs, but this is nice to have this because, you know, like when you get older, you want to be on one level, and that's what we do like. And it does have a nice size walk-in closet in here. It's not as big as the one upstairs, but it's a pretty good sized one. You can get all your clothes in here. And it is a good sized bathroom. Again, the wallpaper. My husband doesn't care about the wallpaper, but I'm just not liking it. So. All right, now we're going to go back out this way. Okay, this is everything on the main level. Now we're going to go up the stairs. Okay, so over to the right here is the loft. So this is where we're going to have our entertainment center, our TV, and the big table and chairs like our other loft where we like to do puzzles. Since the basement's unfinished, my husband doesn't want to use that as his workout room. He wants to use this bedroom. Since we have so many bedrooms in this house, this is going to be his workout room. And over here is the master bedroom. So this is going to get painted later down the road after we move in. New curtains, of course. And the bed's going to go there in between the windows. This is the master bath. This did have some wallpaper. I saw some old pictures, and they did take that down. That's good. It was really, really weird. Dark brown wallpaper, kind of geometrical pattern. This is the master closet. You see it's really nice and big. And it does have a huge shower. Our realtor, it's so funny, our realtor, when we first saw it, he was saying, you could have a party in the shower. I've never had a shower this big. It is huge. All right, so let's look at this one more time and head back out. All right. There are actually 6 bedrooms in this house. This house is smaller than our current home, but it does have an extra bedroom. This is the pink bedroom. I think it's going to be for my antique furniture for now. This room is going to be an office. And then this one with the nice, okay, let's go in here first. More wallpaper. So this is the bathroom for the other, there's 5 bedrooms up here. This is the only bathroom for the 4 bedrooms. Okay, yeah, wallpaper probably gonna go. It's not the worst in here, not like the powder room, but I still don't really like it. And I may be painting the cabinets in here too. Okay. So this is going to be my craft room. And I needed a bigger bedroom because I need like 12 feet to put all my bookcases on all together. And it has its own bath. So I like that. So I can clean out my brushes here. As you can see, the wallpaper has some damage in this one. And I'm not really fond of it. So this will be going too. But I do like the size of this room. This is the bigger bedroom upstairs. So this will be perfect for the craft room. Okay, so that's it for the upstairs. Again, all this carpet's going to be out of here, and I don't know, I'm going to get some painting done. I just don't know when I will get painting done. Okay, now let's head back this way. And we're going to go outside. We're going to try to fix this door with that doggy door. Our dogs don't like to use doggy doors, so... It does have a covered patio, pretty good size. I think it's a little bit bigger than what we have now. As you can see, we have open space behind us. And we are at the end of the road here, so we only have one neighbor. We have nobody behind us, just the one neighbor to the left of us. And much smaller yard, which I love. Very small yard. And you know what? Our neighborhood is just that way. Our old neighborhood is just that direction over there to the left. If you go down our street a little bit, you can actually see our old neighborhood. You just can't see it from here because there's a hill. But once you start going down the road a little bit, you can actually see it. So I do like having this extra space here that they put on here. Kind of wish it had a fire feature. I would love to have an outdoor fireplace. Maybe we could do one. I don't know. And we're back into the kitchen. And here's the view from the breakfast nook window. Okay. That is it for the tour. Now, I will be doing another tour of the home once we get the carpet done. And you can see there might be, of course, some few things laying around. I don't know how much I'm going to get over here. They said 3 days, so we'll have to wait and see. So I better get busy getting all my stuff in the car so I can bring some stuff over today. And I will see everybody later on.